Okay, nothing mind-boggling about this. It just takes a bunch of, distributing and sorting out. So let's just do it. We've got 3p minus 1 on this side equals 5 times p is 5p. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. And negative 2 times negative 2p is positive 4p. Now we got to combine the like terms. We've got this 5p and this 4p. And we've got this negative 5 and this negative 14 going together. So we say 3p minus 1. Let's deal with the p's. 5p and 4p is 9p. And negative 5 minus 14 is negative 19. And now I like to keep my variables positive, so 3p minus 1 minus 3p, take it away from there, equals 9p minus 19 minus 3p. I wrote everything that was already on each side, 3p minus 1, and then added minus 3p at the end. 9p minus 19, and then added that negative 3p at the end. Okay, and combining like terms now, we get negative 1 on this side equals 9p minus 3p is 6p minus 19, and I need to then add that 19 to both sides, so negative 1 plus 19 equals 6p minus 19 plus 19. These go together to be 18 equals 6p. And we've got 18 divided by 6 equals 6p divided by 6, or 3 is equal to p. Okay, I'm going to shrink this down and move it over just a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. Hold on. Group those. And then shrink it down and move it over just because I need a little bit more room for this proof, I think. It's kind of big. So, whoops. Okay, got to write the original equation. I'm going to write it in a different color. It's in green. Actually, I'm going to just take this screen grab of this. Let me shrink this a little bit more. Thanks for your patience. I'm just going to take a screen grab of this equation, put it back over here. Okay? So now I've got the original equation. I will write proof at the top. Oops. And now I say 3 parentheses. What does it equal 3? Minus 1 equals 5 bracket, because I'm putting a parentheses in there, minus 1 close bracket, minus 2 bracket 7 minus 2 parentheses 3. I'm running out of room, sorry, that's a little bit sloppy. That's a 3 there. Let's see if I can do better. Okay, sorry about that, it's a little crunched in. Now, we need to resolve this. We'll do the multiplication on this side. 3 times 3 is 9. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to say, let's keep the multiplication for a later step. Right now, we're going to do the parentheses. We're going to say 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2, and in this parentheses, we say 7 minus 6. We've got to resolve that first. So we're still working on parentheses. 3 parentheses 3 minus 1 equals 5 parentheses 2 minus 2 parentheses 7 minus 6 is 1. Now I can do the multiplication. 3 times 3, 9 minus 1 equals 5 times 2, 10 minus 2 times 1, 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 2 is also 8. And good to go. That one was like a bunch of steps, but it hopefully wasn't anything out of your league at this point. Hopefully you're gained enough knowledge to just see this as a kind of long, but still pretty straightforward.